Hi, I'm Anjali from Fast and Flow. Let's see how Excel to Tally integration can enhance financial reporting and analysis. Excel to Tally integration can help you save time and effort by automating many of the tasks involved in financial reporting and analysis. Excel is a powerful tool for data analysis, and by integrating it with Tally, you can be sure that your financial data is accurate and up to date. Excel and Tally can be used to generate powerful insights into your financial data. This information can help you make better business decisions. One way is to use a third-party tool like Tally Master. Tally Master is a software application that makes it easy to import data from Excel into Tally. Another way to integrate Excel and Tally is to use the ODBC data source. To do this, you will need to create an ODBC data source in Windows. Once you have created an ODBC data source, you can use it to connect Excel to Tally. Once you have integrated Excel and Tally, you can use the combined power of these two applications to generate comprehensive reports and analytics. For example, you can use Excel to create pivot tables and charts to analyze your financial data. You can also use Excel to create macros to automate tasks like data entry and reporting. Excel to Tally integration is a powerful tool that can help you improve the efficiency, accuracy, and insights of your financial reporting and analysis. If you are looking for a way to improve your financial reporting and analysis, I encourage you to consider integrating Excel and Tally. Get free demo of Excel to Tally software at www.fastandflow.com.